Hey there guys, hope you all are doing well as we welcome you to Finance Ninja. Freelancing has blossomed into an enormous market. Everybody is exploring the infinite possibilities in this field. Countries are bringing newer incentives for people to start working on the internet and earn for themselves. While some work requires tireless efforts like animations, graphic designing and such, there are many other fields where making money is simple and easy. With some basic knowledge and skills, there's a lot to earn in a very short time. Stay with us and we'll tell you how you can copy this text and earn $2,600 per week for free. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Number 4. Newer ways to earn. Education is essential. There's nothing that makes you better at anything than learning about it. One of the key things about survival in today's world is reading and knowing everything you possibly can about a subject. Without knowledge, it's impossible for one to thrive for long. With education, one learns new skills that help them in becoming a helpful individual in society. With their specific knowledge about the field and its implements, a person can qualify for a lot of tasks, and that's how businesses and lives operate on a daily basis. Whether you're opening a business or looking for a job, nobody will give you a chance unless you show potential in the field. For this purpose, a lot of avenues have opened up. The internet and its endless opportunities have given people a chance to do something that requires little to no effort at all. Freelancing has enabled people to become something more. There are so many skilled people that are making a difference with their potential without leaving their rooms. That's why everybody is exploring this field to maximize their earnings. Every day, there are lots of doors opening for people that are willing to work. From writing simple text to creating complex codes, the field of freelancing is growing exponentially. There are so many ways where one can do simple tasks and make easy money. This includes affiliate marketing, which is somewhat unknown and a very rewarding field. Not many people know about it, but the ones that do are doing very well for themselves. Number 3. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is one of the few fields that provides its users with a large number of incentives with very low risk for losses. There's hardly any effort required in affiliate marketing, and anybody can be trained for this program in a matter of weeks. There's no requirement for a high-end computer, and a decent system will work perfectly. It's a very simple concept running on the same principles as an office 10 to 15 years ago. Back then, people working in the sales department created clients for their company by offering their products and services in the best way possible. Employees that were successful in landing a deal got a percentage of the business known as their commission. While they received a salary for this task, affiliate marketing is also based on this principle in a very similar fashion. In this field, people have the freedom of working from their homes. Affiliate marketing is based on CPA, which is known as cost per action. Users have to promote other people's business through their activities. These businesses can be based on a number of activities, from filling out surveys to providing their email addresses. They can invite new users to these tasks through their blogs or other sources. Every company has a fixed amount of commission for every sale or lead as they call it. Users that complete these tasks receive a reward from the companies for their corporation, and the affiliates receive a small piece of the business that the organization does with their new client. In this way, it's a win-win situation for everyone. Affiliate marketing can be applied to all sorts of businesses. Online stores have become a true leader in this field. For example, one of the leading online marketplaces in the world, Amazon, has already established its affiliate marketing field. Named as Amazon Associates, the company provides everyone a chance to promote products on Amazon's website through the affiliate's content. The affiliate then receives their share for every sale of the product. Even banks use these services to attract customers for their services like credit cards and more. Number 2. Where to do affiliate marketing. Finding opportunities in affiliate marketing is not that big of a problem. Nowadays, countless ventures are looking to hire affiliates that can bring their sales to the top and help them grow further. Conversely, there are a lot of people looking to do such activities. Some are looking for a full-time opportunity, while others consider it as a side hustle. Either way, the market is reaching saturation at a fast pace. Unfortunately, many people have no clue where to look for this work. While it's easy to find sources on the internet, it's hard to find the ones that are credible. Many people set up sites that are fake and are only based to provide them the benefit, leaving the affiliate with no commission and thereby wasting their time, energy, and resources. Therefore, it's important to know where to go for this type of work. One of the best places in this regard is CPA Grip. It's an intuitive website that allows people to find corporations easily and get to work instantly. It also has a public chat feature where people are allowed to talk to each other and learn about the place better. The public chat also announces the earnings of other affiliates, giving others the required motivation to continue working on the website for everybody. Another excellent website that allows CPA marketing is NerdWallet. Here, customers have the freedom to choose whatever niche they want to work and attract new users too. Max Bounty is another interesting website where affiliates can look for businesses looking for people to promote their work on a fixed rate. Other reputable sites for this line of work are Purefly, CJ, AdGate Media, CPA Lead, and many others. Be sure to check them out and find the best one for you. Number 1. How to do affiliate marketing. Another big issue that many people run into is how to do it. Sure, you can learn a lot from reading and listening, but it wouldn't make a difference unless you knew how to implement it. Doing affiliate marketing is one of the easiest things out there, and all it takes is a bit of effort. You'll need a place to start your affiliate marketing from. This can be in the form of a blog or a channel on YouTube or other social media networks. The importance of these platforms is that they're able to bring together a large audience for a relevant subject, and if you know how to convince people, there's nobody who can do affiliate marketing better than you. Once you have a platform where you can publish what you want, you can start creating offers for people that take them to your provider. Writing simple articles that deliver the message as they're supposed to can work effectively, and many people find progress in this method. But if you have no experience in writing, there's a smart alternative that you can adopt. Once you've selected a client, you need to search the internet for relevant articles about the client's services or products. From these articles, you can select all the points you consider important and copy them to paraphrasing websites such as Quillbot. These websites are able to rewrite your selected text using different words so the purpose remains unchanged. After you're done paraphrasing, you can put it up on your website and let the commissions flow in. But there's another problem that many freelancers encounter. Creating a platform can be tiresome, causing the individual to eventually tire out and lose all interest in the work. For this purpose, Steemit is an excellent option. Here, people post their blogs with the client's link, so a lot of people engage with your content. Using Steemit is quite simple. It only requires users to sign up, and then anybody can post their article. With affiliate links, you're likely to earn a significant commission because there's usually heavy traffic on such websites, so putting some effort in affiliate marketing will help you earn a lot of money very quickly. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you all for watching, and we hope you learned something valuable today. If you agree, then do give this video a like and tell us what you think in the comments section below. Do be sure to subscribe to our channel, and also be sure to turn on post notifications so you never have to miss a video from our channel in the future. We'll be back here with some more juicy money-making content next time, so keep watching, and until then, take care and goodbye.